Hello everybody, I'm Asaduzzaman Biswas. In previous class I was discussing about how we can create and assign value in array, and now I will discuss the properties of array, right? Okay. array array is an object of JavaScript, so it has fields and methods. So we will discuss about uh, property. It's a properties. It's a it's an object of array, so it has properties, and properties means array has its fields and methods. Okay, so let us discuss first the field of array. The field of array is your one field of array is length, so I will discuss about the length field of array. Okay, why this length field is used? Length field is used to count the number of indexes in the array. Okay, so look here, we made an array that is your x, and this x array contains three numbers 10, 20 and 30. 10 is located in 0 index, 20 is located in 1 index, and 30 is located in 2 index. So there are three indexes here we are getting inside this array, right? So look here, if I write something like this, alert x dot length means we like to know what are the number of indexes inside this array. So let us save it and go to the output just to check. Look, this is 3. That means here the number of indexes is 3. Now I like to discuss about the methods available in JavaScript about array. Okay, so let us discuss about this method push. This method push will insert element or data at the end of array. Okay, so let us say it with an example. What we like to do inside array x, push means insert element at the end of array. Which element? Suppose here we wrote 50. We like to insert 50 at the end of array, right? So let us see what array we are getting now. So write down alert and write down x. Now if we save and go to output, what we are getting now, look, we are getting 50 at the end of the array. So this push is inserting 50 at the end of the array. Now if we like to remove or eliminate any element from the end of an array, then the method pop is used. How? Let us see with the example. X, we like to remove element from the end of the array, that is x, and so we will use this method pop. Okay, great. Let us see what happens after we are calling this pop method. So let us write alert x, save it and go to output. Look, push method insert 50 at the end of the array. Now we are not getting this 50 because the 50 is eliminated by this pop method. So pop method is eliminating the last element from the end of an array. Now question is, if we like to enter any data at the beginning of the array, then what we do, right? There is a method that is your unshift. This unshift method will enter some element or data at the beginning of the array. So in which array? This in X array, at the beginning means unshift. We'll use this method. Which data we like to insert at the beginning? Suppose 90. Okay, so let us see. I can do one thing. I can make these comments because we already discussed about push and pop. We just like to see the output after using this unshift method. So let us give here alert method and see the output. We like to see the array, so save it. Great, look, we are getting 90 at the beginning of the array. That means this unshift method entered 90 at the beginning of the array, right? So if we like to remove the element at the beginning of the array, which method is used? That method is shift. That method is shift. So let us call this method shift and check the output, what we are getting, right? So this is your shift method. Now we like to see the array, so let us call alert method, and now we will save and we'll look 90 due to unshift method. 90 is at the beginning. If we click the look, this 90 is removed because we call the shift method. Okay, so today, after this, in the next class I will discuss